Good afternoon. Welcome back to Road Trip Garage. We're going to be working on our Camaro again, clearly. And today we're going to tackle that disaster of an exhaust that we had. So let's see if we can make it right and get her going. All right, we got that part cut. Not sure how we're gonna get this section out, but we'll figure that out. Let's keep going. Look how bad this pipe is. It's awful. Check out this disaster. I mean, I lipsticked it as best as I could, and it was like, look at it. The whole thing, it's all Swiss cheese, the whole top. Look at all the way down. No wonder why I couldn't get this to be quiet. Can't tell me I didn't try. Anyways, here's the new one. Let's grab it real quick. Look at that. Let's double check this, shall we? Oh yeah, like fantastic. I think we're gonna cut this bracket off because we're not gonna need those. I'm gonna save these clamps because they're expensive. But yeah, let me get this cleaned up and we'll start putting it together. All right, we are far from perfect and far from done, but I do got a basic layout. So I put the tip on. There we go. Going. And now we got to work on getting this side connected. So let me get set up and we'll see what we can come up with. All right, time for a little redneck zapping here. All right, we're gonna turn the heat up a tiny bit. Let's see if that's a little better. Look at that. I blew a hole in it, boys. Look at that. Oh, big hole still. Okay. I had put a slice in this pipe to try to make it smaller to fit inside the muffler, and now she needs a little love. Hold still. Alright, hold still. No. Hold on. That's right. Okay. Ha! All right. Told you not to judge me on my welding, but that ain't terrible. I've seen much worse. All right, let's go up to the front and do the same. Okay. Alright guys, there's our little cherry bomb, our little thrush. She's welded on. Don't laugh at my bubblegum welding. But we've got the pipe going up and over the axle, and then bring on down, coming up, tied into where I deleted the cat. Again, don't comment on the bubble. You can if you want, I'm aware. It isn't the best, that's for sure. I do have some pinholes I found I gotta fix. But Let me show you real fast again how bad the old one was. Look at this. Look at this thing. Right? Right? Big gaping holes. Come on. That's crazy. That was crazy. It was ridiculous. I tried. Anyways, let me plug the battery in here. Oops, don't fall. And I'll fire it up. Give you guys a quick ear. All right. Hang on. Here we go. Oh. Oh, and so much smoother the car runs. It's not perfect, but let's go to the back here. You can hear the stumble in it, and I'm aware. But for a little thrush uplift, a Canadian tire, guys, I'm excited. Again, I every time I get a little task accomplished, it just feels better and better, right? Hopefully we can get the rest done soon, and maybe get this bad boy for a run on the road before the summer's over. So again, I appreciate you guys, and remember, don't do it my way, do it the right way, because just do it the right way. Please like and subscribe and ask your friends. All right, remember, it's Road Trip Garage.